What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're just going to go over Bitcoin today, guys. We're sitting at 55,586. Excuse me. How extremely disgusting. We're down about 4% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 1,038 billion. Incredible, guys. They're sitting in a 24-hour volume of almost 40 billion. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards for free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, and travel incentives. So it's just going to be a quick video here, guys. These glasses, the Jamaican heat in my glasses, they fog up super quickly here. So you can see we've come back to retest our bull flag, and we came right down to the level of support that I dropped in. I'll show it to you better here on the 4-hour time frame. Currently we're on the 1-hour time frame here. So I'm just going to quickly take this out. So if you ignore this quick green wick down here, we do have a bullish divergence. You can see we created a lower low, we created a higher low on the 1-hour RSI, and can signify the bears are losing strength and the bulls are stepping in here. Now, if we head over to the 4-hour time frame, you can see the support line I dropped in, which lines up with all these areas of support here. It bounced perfectly off that level. So if we're able to hold the 55 EMA, we may just see a bounce back to the upside here. We're also having a hidden bullish divergence. You can see here we created a higher low on the chart while creating a lower low on the RSI, which is a hidden bullish divergence. So a couple of signals here that we may see a bounce from this level. I had been covering the 4-hour bearish divergence for quite a while, and finally it started to play out here. Now, if we were to lose this level of support, do target 53068, the previous swing high, could give us a beautiful opportunity to bounce here. But just due to the fact that we have the bullish divergence on the 1-hour and the hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hour, could be giving us a strong signal that we're going to see a bounce back to the upside here. If we get back above 57.5K, we can head up to the technical target, considering we have bounced off the previous level of resistance, now turned into support here of our bull flag. Your target is still 59.6K. And then I don't think there's much resistance here, basically until our all-time high up at about 64K for Bitcoin. So that's basically it, guys. I just wanted to make you guys aware of those divergences. Hopefully we see a little bit of a bounce here. If we were to break down, lose this level of support, do target the previous swing high. All right, guys, you can check out the Discord. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. Check out my full length tutorial. Grab up to $600 in bonuses, as well as $50 for your first deposit within 48 hours. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.